Enjoying a glass of milk? But are you sure it is nutritious? Hi guys, I'm Pooja Banga and I'm a nutritionist. As we know, a lot of Indian households practice boiling milk in the kitchen to ensure that it is germ-free. But not many people know that boiling is not the same as pasteurization. Pasteurizing requires the milk to be heated at a particular temperature to remove harmful bacteria. But I am worry-free thanks to my LG charcoal healthy oven, which ensures I don't have to go through a tiresome milk boiling process because of the unique Pasteurized Milk feature in my microwave oven. All I have to do is pour milk into the milk pasteurization accessory, place this container in, scan the QR code, access LG ThinQ app, select Pasteurized Milk, and press Start. So while I wait, I can just relax. And there is no spillage at all. The process is time-saving, needs no monitoring, and is extremely convenient. So if you also want to ensure that the milk you and your loved ones are consuming is healthy, bring home Wi-Fi-enabled LG Scan to Cook Charcoal Healthy Oven and enjoy healthy food conveniently.